Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In my previous video, we have discussed about Python turtle equilateral triangle right triangle program. So now here in this video, I am going to discuss about Python turtle triangle spiral code. A spiral is defined as long curved. A spiral is defined as a long curved line that moves round and round from a central point. Similarly, triangle spiral is a long curved line that moves round and round away from its central point, and a spiral triangle is formed. And this is the Python turtle program spiral code. So when you use the import turtle using import function, okay, now we can access after importing the turtle. Now we can access all the turtle methods and functions. So now we can access all the turtle methods and functions in Python. So we can use t is equal to turtle.turtle methods. A turtle window will appear on the screen. Okay, this is the turtle window. Turtle window will appear on the screen. So now we can use t.shape method. The shape of the turtle size will be changed, and the shape of the turtle size is increased. So when you use t dot pen size method, the pen size is increased. The pen size is increased successfully. And after that we can use, okay, these are the optional methods. So t dot color, the pen color is changed red color and the fill color is light cyan. And we can also use t dot speed, that the pen speed is 2. So now we can use the value of n is equal to 8. Value of n is equal to 8. So now here I will use for loop for I in range of n into 7. Now here the n value is 8. 8 into 7, 56. The range of I values are 56. So range of values of I is equal to 56 mean the range of I values are 0 to 55. So initially we will take I is equal to 0 value. I is equal to 0 mean now here t dot forward method of 0 into I. So 0 into I is equal to 0. 0 into 8 is 0. So turtle is not moves in forward direction. So now here the distance is 0. And t dot right method, t dot right method of 120 degrees. And the turtle rotates in clockwise direction by 120 degrees. So actually this is the turtle, okay, and the turtle rotates in clockwise direction by 120 degrees. So clockwise direction by 90 degrees means this is the 90 degrees, and it rotates in 90 plus 30 120 degrees and rotates in 120 degrees. Okay, t dot fd method of 0. So I is equal to 0. 0 into 8 is 0. Okay, turtle is not moved in forward direction. Okay, so now I will use t dot right method rt of 120 degrees, and the turtle rotates in clockwise direction by 120 degrees. Now where the turtle is rotated in clockwise direction by 120 degrees, and it go to the next value of the I, and next value of I is equal to 1. So if I is equal to 1, 1 into 8, and the turtle moves in forward direction by 8 meters. Now we can use t dot forward method of 1 into 8. Turtle moves in forward direction by 8 meters. Okay, t dot fd method. Now we can use t dot rt method, and the turtle moves in and clockwise direction by 120 degrees. Okay, after moving 8 meters distance, and the turtle rotates in anti-clockwise, clockwise direction by 120 degrees. And next value of I is 2. So 2 into 8, 16. Okay, 2 into 8, 16. And the turtle moves in forward direction by 16 meters. Now we can use T dot RT method. Turtle rotates in clockwise direction by 120 degrees. Okay, 120 degrees. And next it go to the next value of the I. Next value of I is 3. So 3 into 8, 24. Turtle moves in forward direction by 24 meters. So now we can use T dot RT method. Turtle moves in clockwise direction by 120 degrees. In a similar manner, it go to the next value of the I. So for all values of the I, and what are that all values of the I is equal to 0 to 15, 0 to 55, and the turtle moves in spiral direction. It forms a spiral triangle. So now here I will run the program. So go to the run and click on the run module. The turtle rotates in spiral direction. It forms a spiral triangle. For all values of I, the turtle rotates in forward direction and clockwise direction by 120 degrees. Finally, it forms a spiral triangle form.